Ano po itong 4 months payments at 2 months grace period ni Pag-ibig MPL? Answer, ito po yung latest news from Pag-ibig website, friends. So kung mag-renew tayo ng Pag-ibig MPL, ito lang po ang requirements. 4 months payments at may 2 months pa na grace period ni Pag-ibig MPL. Simple said, 6 months after previous loan, pwede ka naka-renew ng MPL ninyo. And of course, yung loan balance, i-deduct po yan sa new loan. Ayan po. So ito yung way ni Pag-ibig na matulungan ang mga Pag-ibig member na in need ng financial assistance or cash. Alright? So hingi lang kayo ng printout ni Pag-ibig Fund at ibigay nyo sa HR ninyo or payroll in charge para walang deduction sa first 2 months ng Pag-ibig MPL ninyo. Alright? Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.